In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online manually. By the end, you'll know how to record deposits, checks, and other transactions directly into your bank register, which is especially helpful when you're missing bank feeds or need to clean up your books. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Accounting. This is where all of your financial accounts live. Once you're in the Accounting section, choose Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of every account in your business, including your bank, credit cards, income, and expense accounts. Next, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Find the specific bank account where you want to record the transaction. This might be your main checking account, savings account, or another bank account you've set up. When you've located the right one, move over to the Action column and click on View Register. The register is like a digital checkbook where all the activity for that bank account is listed. Now, at the top of the bank register, you'll see a line for a new transaction. On that line, open the drop-down menu that lets you choose what type of transaction you're creating. Here, you can select options like Add Deposit, Add Check, or Add Journal Entry. Choose the type that best matches what actually happened in real life. For example, use Add Deposit for money coming into the account and Add Check or a similar expense type for money going out. Once you've chosen the type, it's time to fill in the details. Enter the date of the transaction as it appears on your bank statement. For payee, type the name of the person or company involved in the transaction. This helps with tracking and reporting later. In the Account field, choose the category from your chart of accounts that best describes what this transaction is for, such as an expense or income account. Use the Memo field to write a short description, like what the payment was for, or any notes that will help you remember later. If the money is going out, enter the amount in the Payment field. If the money is coming in, use the Deposit field instead. When everything looks correct and complete, click Save to record the transaction in your bank register. Repeat this process for any additional transactions you need to enter, making sure your entries match your bank records for accurate books.